Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to use color replacement tools. For example, I will open this image, and if you want to use color replacement, you can go to image menu, adjustments, and then click on replace color. Will be show for replace color dialog box, and in there you can choose your color, like I will select at this color, and then you can increase decrease by using these hue tools. You can change the color like this, and you can set the saturation, or you can change the lightness at this point. If you're done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to use color replacement tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.